Need a code to unlock your Ford radio after a battery change or power loss? We've got you covered. In this video, we'll show you how to find your radio serial, get your code, and enter it, all in just 3 simple steps. It takes less than 5 minutes, and there's even a free option, so you'll be back to enjoying your music in no time. Step 1. Find your radio serial. To unlock your radio, you first need the serial number. Here's how. Hold buttons 1 and 6 for a few seconds. When the cycle starts, look out for the serial. It begins with V or M, followed by 6 digits. We have sped up this part of the process to save time. There it is. In this example, the serial is V337470. Make a note of yours. You'll need it to get your radio code. If it disappears too fast, just repeat the process. Important notes. Sometimes your serial may appear on screen with a prefix before it. For example, in the photo, the serial is V027722. Also, the serial may be split across 2 screens, like in the images below, where the full serial is V027722. If you can't find the serial, no worries. There are other retrieval methods. Keep watching. Power on your radio and hold buttons 2 and 6 for a few seconds. The serial should appear shortly after and starts with V or M, followed by 6 digits. Make a note of your serial. You'll need it to get your radio code. If it disappears too fast, just repeat the process. Method 3. If all else fails, you'll need to partially remove the unit to find the serial code on the printed radio label. This requires radio release keys, which are inexpensive on Amazon or eBay. Please note, Method 3 applies to Ford TravelPilot models including EX, NX, and FX, and the serials for these models starts with BP or C7. RDS Eon series, for example, the Ford 6000 CD RDS Eon, and the serial usually starts with M or V followed by 6 digits. Please note, getting the radio serial number from the label works for any Ford radio. If you need further help finding your radio serial number, check the video description. Additional videos and methods are available on the website for removing your radio and locating the serial number with or without radio release keys. Step 2. Generating your radio code. With your radio serial code to hand, head over to www.decodemyradio.co.uk and enter your radio serial number. In this example, we will enter our serial, which is V337470. You will then be shown your radio details and given the option for free radio unlock code via email within 24 hours, or a paid option for instant access to your radio code on screen after payment. Step 3. Entering your radio code. Switch on your radio and wait for code to appear on the display. If code doesn't appear, press the middle button until it does. In this example, we will set our radio code, which is 8358. Keep pressing the number 1 button to set the first digit of the radio code. Keep pressing the number 2 button to set the second digit of the radio code. Keep pressing the number 3 button to set the third digit of the radio code. Keep pressing the number 4 button to set the 4th digit of the radio code. Check your unlock code is correct on display, then press 5 to activate your radio. And that's it. Your radio should now be unlocked and ready to use. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more how-to guides just like this. If you have any questions or run into any issues, drop a comment below. I'll do my best to help out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.